hear that Team Vogue wanted an interview with us. It was mainly about our relationship and how it came to be.
And of course, sa tour naman po, syempre, kahit marami po kaming shows, 14 shows? Kahit 14 shows po kami doon, masaya po and all, but then meron din naman po kaming parang vacation on the side, may mga day off din po kami doon na medyo mahaba din po. So, lalo na po like yung sa New York, sobrang nakapaglibot po kaming lahat doon. Sa Canada, nakapag-ikot din po kami.
Kailan kayo mag-start ng yung bago niyong teleserye?
September po, I think, mag-start.
September pa ang start ng taping?
Ay, hindi po yung start po mismo.
Ng airing?
Yes.
Ayun. Thank you,
Thank you po.
congrats.
Thank you, ate. Okay ka na, ate? Nasusunod na magtatanong si Diana Ventura.
Hi. Obviously, both your lives have changed a lot with your fame and success. I'd just like to know, how are you using this fame and success to influence your fans in a positive way?
I guess a lot of our fans look up to us like role models.
Sorry?
Our fans look up to us as role models. So I mean, I don't know, I guess we just try to be good role models through our behavior. So, and how do you give back to the fans?
Well, kami po yung nagiging inspiration nila kasi most of them, especially yung mga nag-aaral pa, nagtatag po sa amin ng yung card nila, yung ng grades po nila, lahat sila matataas, and then palagi pong yung caption is, thank you kasi kayo yung inspiration, kaming dalawa nga po, kasi kayo yung inspiration ko, kaya naging mataas yung grades ko, kaya gusto kong mag-aral man ng mabuti, ganun po. And then yung mga achievements nila, yun po, so nakakatuwa kasi ginagawa po nila kaming hindi lang role models but inspirations as well.
Yes, pero specifically, like with this book,
What
are the things about this book that you shared about your lives that you think would affect your fans in a positive way? When you bared everything you said in this book, your lives, your thoughts, ganyan.
Mm-hmm.
So what is it about you do you think that makes people inspired?
Yeah.
Well, in this book po kasi, sa beauty po, I think, anong chapter yan? Basta sa chapter po ng beauty tips, meron po ako dong sinabi na, yun nga po, na karamihan po nung mga nakabasa na ng libro na nagsasabi na, yun nga, na parang ganun pala. Kasi feeling po kasi nila, parang our lives are perfect, parang ganun. So, in that chapter, lahat po, as in sinabi ko, lahat ng mga naging issues ko at home, personal issues, ganun, na parang sinabi ko po dun na yung mga challenges na yun, hindi ako pinigilan para maabot yung dreams ko and all that. Yun, yung mga ganun po. Pero hindi ko na po ikukwento lahat.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Sir Pablo, Arima na sa question.
Yeah. Anong part ng life niyo, James and Nadine, ang nasa librong yan? At so far, anong naging epekto dito sa following ninyo?
Sorry po, ano po ulit?
Anong aspects ng life niyo nasa librong yan? At ito ba reflection ng life niyo ngayon? Yung nasa libro?
It is reflection of our lives now. Also, the past, the struggles we've been through. Also, our thoughts on life in general, like on what it really means to be beautiful. Also, on money, a lot of different ideas.
Yeah, thank you. Sa karanasan niyo so far, I was wondering, paano kayo nagko-cope sa over popularity? Is it difficult leading a very popular life? How are you coping so far?
I mean, I guess we are coping. This is what we wanted. We wanted this success, and we do owe a lot of it to all of it to our fans, and we do this for them. Like this book, it's really for them. It's really for them to get to know us better.
Yeah, Nadine, what do you
Yes.
think is the best way to cope with popularity?
The best way to cope with... Well, ano na lang po, for me, I think of the fans na lang po. I think of all the little girls who look up to me, everyone na ginagawa po talaga kaming role model. And then ako parang iniisip ko na lang na, yun nga, parang I want to be an inspiration to them. So, we're always careful with what we do, sa lahat po ng sinasabi namin.
May sequel pa ba itong librong to?
Tignan po
At saka,
natin.
anong possible aspects ng life na susunod na libro?
Not yet,
Oh,
but-
wala pa sa
Wala
plano
pa po.
yun.
Tignan po natin.
Sige, thank you.
Thank you po.